Meaning of heedful.
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 Heedful. The word heedful means to be paying careful attention to something or someone, being cautious and diligent in one's actions. Someone who is heedful is generally someone who takes responsibilities seriously and is committed to doing things properly. Being heedful requires a certain level of focus and awareness, and it often involves anticipating potential problems or challenges before they arise. Ultimately, being heedful can lead to better decision-making and more successful outcomes, as it allows one to avoid mistakes and make the most of their resources.